New information suggests Samsung could be ending its Note lineup in 2021. What's up guys, and in this video we find out why Samsung is going to end its Note lineup later next year, and which devices will replace it. Let's begin. According to Reuters, a very reputable source has detailed in a recent report that Samsung will likely discontinue its Note lineup in 2021. This is due to falling demand of these more expensive devices, and the company is focusing on other products. They also pointed out that Samsung does not plan to make the next generation Note series, as the company has not made any prototypes for next year's lineup. So it's safe to say that at the moment, we do not expect any new Note handsets to be launched in August 2021, which is usually when Samsung unveils these new products. Instead, it is being said that the Note series will be replaced by the Z series, which is Samsung's folding devices. Reuters suggests that the company will unveil a third generation of their Z Fold series, likely named the Galaxy Z Fold 3, and would start at the same price as last year's model, which is $2,000 for 256GB, and could come with an S Pen, as it will have support for this accessory. The successor to the Z Flip would also be launched at some point next year, although not much has been said about it. We can expect the same 6.7-inch display as the previous model, but could have 120Hz and include a 3-inch cover display. We may also see a price drop for this device, as many criticize its high $1,400 starting price. Reuters also says that Samsung is looking to make a much more affordable foldable device, similar to the Z Fold, but with some key features missing. It's likely to be named the Galaxy Z Fold Lite and would be launched as early as the first quarter of 2021. The price of the Z Fold Lite, however, is unknown, but it could be lower than $1,400. The Z Flip and Z Fold 3 would likely launch in September, like the Z Fold 2. So it could be the beginning of a new era for Samsung by bringing foldable technology to more people at a lower price. It could be the end, however, of the Note series, the phone that started the trend of big screen smartphones, which forced companies like Apple to make a phone with a bigger display. Let me know what you think about Samsung making these bold decisions, subscribe for the latest news and updates, leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in the next one.